What's up guys, I'm Lucca and I'm a traveler, photographer, filmmaker, blogger, and honestly a bunch of other things I don't even remember right now. Today I'm teaching you how to do a quick rain effect and make your product videos look epic. This is going to be a really quick tutorial, but it's something that can really make your product videos stand out. A few things you're gonna need. First one, your product. I'm gonna be using my mom's perfume, not sponsored, but I was gonna use my perfume, but the bottle is half empty, and if you have a full bottle it really makes the shot look better, so I'm gonna use this one. Second thing we're gonna need is a table, preferably a black one. The third thing we will need is a black backdrop. I bought this one online, super easy, super cheap, but if you don't have one, maybe you can try with an oversized hoodie. Maybe it will work out. Fourth thing is some lights to highlight your product. And the last thing you need is a water spray to simulate the fake rain. When you have everything, you're gonna place your product in front of the light source, and we're gonna use the slow-mo function. Flip the camera upside down to get a different perspective of the product, and then you're gonna move it backwards while spraying some water into the air. After you do that, our video is pretty much done, and let's check out the results. This is a very easy trick to make, and it adds so much to your product video. You can make it literally anywhere. I did this one in my own room, so it's pretty easy. Anyway, if you enjoyed this video, leave a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Follow me on Instagram and TikTok at Lucca on the Go for more filmmaking and photography tips, and also to be aware of all my travels around Brazil. I'll see you next week.